Which version of Hansel and Gretel did you like, the old version or the new version?
I enjoyed the Hansel and Gretel that the Grimm brothers wrote. I like this version more because it had more detail in it and was much more descriptive. This was also humorous, talking about how Gretel tricked the witch into putting her head into the burning oven.
What were the differences about the new version compared to the old version? Can you give me some specific details?
Well, in the new version in Hansel and Gretel, um, they had been eating the house the entire time while the witch had been out and she was just coming home.
Was there anything else?
Yes, in the old version there was a Mommet, but in the new version we did not hear about her. Lastly, in the new version, Hansel was putting rocks down while jogging very fast. Unlike the old version, he was stopping to put the rocks down every second to find his way home if he ever got lost.
What are some similarities about these two versions?
Well, they both left for the same reason. They both were very low on food and water, so they left the house to keep their father safe from dying of hunger. Also, the witch was included in both stories. Lastly, when Gretel dropped the breadcrumbs for a trail home, the birds ate them all.
How do you think the Grimm brothers have influenced the American culture?
Well, I think that they have influenced the American culture by retelling popular American stories and making them more exciting.